Hi to everyone, and this is the engineering section of my lectures and videos. So, today this is the open pit design. After planning, the next step we do the designing. So, this is design. Our topic is mainly oil sand, but it's equally applicable to all areas. So the first one, what we do, and the big companies, they do the geotechnical investigation slash analysis. So geotechnical means geo means earth, and technical, the technical behavior of the earth surface where we are working. So it's called geotechnical investigation. We investigate what type of rocks are there. So as you guys knows that mining is usually rocks. It's like oil sand is also bitumen's kind of soil, but sticky soil. But usually our design is rock masses. So as you guys knows that rock masses are not homogeneous. They are different. They within the rock masses, it has a small faults, folds, weak zone, fissures, uncertainties, and so all these things are called weak zones. So the water are accumulating there and it's create pressure. So for the study of geotechnical analysis, this is the introduction. We do boreholes. We drill boreholes, at least in the footwall of the deposit. It's for surface mining, not for underground. And core of the hole when we drill. So the core is usually from 2 inch to 3 inch, 3 by 8 inch. We try during core collection not to disturb there is a less disturbance in the core collection. It's a typically very smart handling. It's called a very smart handling of core. And the fourth one is the orientation of the core, how you can put it, and after that you have to do the orientation of the core. And you know what, in the geotechnical analysis, experienced geologist is required. He or she has to study about all these weak zones and geological nature of the deposit. And the sixth one is the careful handling of the core. So these are the important thing about geotechnical investigation. And after that, proper logging of the core. So the geologist they do the what type of rock or the nature of the rock are there from the core analysis. Let's say if there is a 20 or 30 holes, so the core are collected, which are in the waste and in the ore body and in other area, and then they are correlated. The zoning. So they study the rock type and the nature, identification of weak zone, weathering, location, and orientation are all noted on a paper, and they take the proper pictures, photos of the core, and then they do the material testing like compressive strength and tensile strength and shear strength of the rock body. So rocks are not homogeneous. Soil, you can say, is homogeneous in nature. Only the cementing material, clay, is there. So this is a typical example. Let's say, so this line, this brown line, let's say it's a ore body, and the upper line, which is in the pink, it's called waste. So usually for benching and the bench height, weight, and slope, data are collected from these holes, and after that they study all these things. So based on this, the slope angles and the open pit angle are decided, and the pit are designed. Another thing, the next lecture will be regarding the hydrology, the water content in the deposit. In case of oil sand, so They can start it from the beginning. There is a little bit overburden, but the whole thing is oil sand. So it's kind of different, but this is generally what the geotechnical analysis are. So I hope you got the idea, and you can zoom this and see this major point, which is required during geotechnical investigation, and after that they study these things on the basis of which a map is prepared, and then the slope of the bench and slope of the open pit mine are designed. So I hope you got the idea and have a nice day.